This is Chris, and this is the EM Profi Coolant Mist Collector from Camfil APC. Having a clean and safe workplace is important to machinists like Chris, and the EM Profi keeps him and his workplace safe from the hazards created by working with coolant mist. Coolant is used in turning, milling, drilling, and other kinds of metalworking to cool, lubricate, and flush metal particles out of the way. In the process, some of that coolant turns into a mist that makes the air unsafe for workers like Chris to breathe. When the enclosure doors are opened, any coolant mist in the air escapes into the workplace, damaging HVAC systems, electronics, and coating everything in a layer of coolant that leads to equipment failure and production downtime. The challenge in collecting coolant comes from the inconsistency of the mist particles. Coolant is an emulsion made from a mixture of soluble oil and water. During the machining process, the emulsified particles can be broken apart, or the water can evaporate. If the oil in the coolant mist gets too concentrated, it becomes thick and gums up the filters, causing them to lose efficiency. The EM Profi is designed and built from the ground up to solve this problem using a leak-proof self-cleaning design. The key to this design is the two-stage demister system and fully automated spraying system. When air enters the unit, it first passes through a stainless steel mesh filter. The individual steel wires create turbulence that causes smaller mist particles to collide and form larger particles. These particles then bump into the steel wires, removing them from the air. The automatic sprayer system positioned beneath the lower stage keeps the filter clean and moist by ensuring that the oil in the coolant never gets too concentrated and can drain to the collection point easily. The upper stage filter is made up of two layers, the bottom being a stainless steel mesh similar to the lower stage, and the top a mesh made of stainless steel and fine plastic fibers. These two layers work together to collect any coolant mist that makes it through the lower stage, draining it down to the lower stage, creating a downward flow that keeps the filters clean. This means filters can last an incredibly long time, and routine maintenance is rare. The highly efficient demister stages means the optional HEPA stage doesn't have to do much work, so it has a really long filter life as well, even with 3-shift operation. Once the air has passed through the HEPA stage, 99.97% of coolant particles have been removed, and the air is completely safe to be released back into the workplace. The EM Profi removes coolant mist as it's produced, which means as soon as a part is finished, Chris can safely remove it without waiting for the mist to settle. This keeps workers like Chris happy through increased productivity and better working conditions. The EM Profi is designed for easy service from the floor, and everything is accessible through its large service doors. The quick lock latches make filter removal for cleaning and replacement easy, and the filters can be restored with a power washer or ultrasonic bath. The modular design of the EM Profi means a solution can quickly be designed for your needs, and it's easy to increase your capacity. This system also lets Camfil APC focus on ensuring the quality of all the basic modules, so every unit we ship works at optimal capacity and is guaranteed to be leak-proof. Clean air matters to Camfil Air Pollution Control, and the EM Profi is just one of the ways we help keep the air safe for people and the environment. To find out more about the EM Profi and why clean air matters to Chris and workers like him, visit camfilapc.com.